In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Instagram account even if you no longer have access to your phone number, password, or email. This method works on both iPhone and Android, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and stay right on the login screen. Don't try random passwords or guess old logins because too many failed attempts can slow things down. From here, tap Forgot Password. On some devices, it might say Forgot your login details. Both take you to the same place. Instagram will then ask for your username or phone number. Since you don't have access to those, look for the option that says Need More Help and tap it. If you don't see it right away, check the bottom of the screen and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Next, Instagram will show recovery options for phone number and email. Because we can't use either, tap I can't access this email or phone number. This opens a support request form that lets you contact Instagram directly for help. On the form, enter a contact email you can access right now. This is important because Instagram will reach you there with recovery instructions. Double check for typos and plan to keep an eye on your inbox and spam folders in the next couple of days. Scroll through and fill out the entire form carefully. Use accurate information and be as clear as possible. Under what type of account are you trying to access? Select personal account unless yours is a business or creator account. Choosing the correct type helps avoid delays. Under reason for this request, choose I forgot my email or can't log into this email. If your situation involves unauthorized access, you can select my account was hacked instead. Once everything looks good, scroll down and tap request support. After you submit, you should see a confirmation message saying we will contact you through the email you provided. Your request may take 1 to 2 business days. In practice, it can be quicker or take a bit longer, so be patient and avoid sending multiple requests from different devices. Now, wait for Instagram's email. They'll send steps to verify your identity and recover access to your account. Follow their instructions exactly. Depending on your case, they may ask for a short selfie video or for details that help confirm ownership. Respond from the same device if possible, and keep the app installed while you complete the process. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and step-by-step guides.